This is my Xiaomi Redmi 11R model Android smartphone. By mistake I forgot the password of this phone, so I unlocked the phone by hard reset. Now when setting up the phone again, it asks to log in to the previous Gmail account or enter the previous pattern lock. None of which I remember. Unlock after factory reset. If your device was factory reset, you can unlock it using your password. I am trying to log in here with my previous Gmail ID, which I don't remember. I'll now click the back button and go to the welcome screen. Follow the steps I have shown to unlock the phone now, hopefully it will be unlocked. Select TalkBack Blind Keyboard from the Choose Keyboard option. Then click on the next icon, allow all trance and condition. Add new network. Click network name, turn on in accessibility settings. Click accessibility menu, turn on accessibility shortcut menu shortcut. OK. Click accessibility shortcut icon, click Google Assistant icon. Click keyboard icon. Select next keyboard. Type open YouTube. Send open YouTube command. When the update your apps message appears, click the back button. Open the Chrome browser. Type gsmfavor.com in the address bar. Enter GSM Favor website. Click on the menu and go to the FRP Bypass Apps page. I'll try to see if I can unlock it by setting the Paton lock. This sweeper is not working. I need to try something else. Click Open Setting Apps. Click Additional Settings. Find the second space option. Click Second Space option. Turn on second space. Click Continue. Using shortcut. Password option skip. Now restart the phone. I can now see that the phone has been successfully unlocked. I will delete the second space from the phone. Stay tuned for more such tutorials.
Thanks for watching.
Please subscribe GSM Favor for more video.